What's up, everybody? All right. We're going to be breaking to a 2017 NT Racing box break number 21, and then 2021 Chronicles box breaks 92 and 93. Don't know if I'm getting comments in, so if somebody wants to put some comments in, I need. Oh, okay. There's Jody's. This is a break. This is a break. Our next live sale, we are going to have a lot more new rules. Or we're going to be getting rid of some members, I can say that. So, no, this is breaks. And our new sale coming up tomorrow night or Sunday night will be some more strict rules put in place. So, we got box break 17 up. If you see a driver that's open, we're filling it live right now. Let me know what driver you want. And then send payment over. We're going to be breaking this here in about 10 minutes if we can get most of this filled up. So if you see a driver available, you can claim it now live. Also, those picking break spots and not paying for them, I'm going to just start deleting members for life. I'm not tolerating it, just so you guys know. You get in there and pick a spot in a break, if it ain't going to get paid for, you're probably just going to disappear, because I do not pay. I don't have time for the nonsense. So just a forewarning. If you watch the video, it's easier to let you know right now, but I'll be posting a big thing about that tonight. I got Cousin Ed on Boyer and Gant. Cousin Ed on Clint Boyer. And Harry Gant. Thank you, sir. Got you. I got Cameron Harris and Carl Edwards. Cameron Harris. So any spot you see open is still available. We are filling this one live. Filling this one live. It will be breaking as soon as we get most of these drivers filled up. There's some good drivers in here. Very good drivers in here left. Somebody replied to somebody else, Kelly, Kenny, and Carrie, but I don't know who did it. So you might want to reclaim on the main comments. I think it might have been Michael Starnes, but I'm not sure, because you commented under somebody else's comment or something. So you're going to have to reclaim Michael Starnes. You're going to have to retell. I got Kelly, Kenny, and Carrie Earnhardt. All the Earnhardts, I believe, with Michael Starnes. Thank you, sir. Anthony Knapp wants Eric Jones. I got Knapp on Eric Jones. Michael wants Kenny Wallace. I'm trying to keep up. Yeah, I got you on Kenny Wallace, Carrie Earnhardt, and Kelly Earnhardt. So all three of those. So let me know. If you see a mistake, let me know. Other than that, we're still filling this one up. We got Matt Kenseth at $14, Kurt Busch $10. We got the Labonte brothers still open. Kalowski's there, $10. Still some good ones out there. So We'll give her another 5 minutes, and then we're going to be ripping this, and then our Chronicles are both full. So if you want in on a break tonight, this is your only chance, unless you want to go fill up that Pick Your Driver 2018 Prime. We got about 38 drivers left in that, so I don't see that filling up tonight. But if I put it on live, it might. I don't know, but a lot of money being dumped on the new products, so give everybody a last chance at this 17 NT box break here. So the house will take the remaining spots if they do not fill. This will probably be the last one just for a little bit because we got the new product out. So now's the time to get in on it, because I will not be dropping a new one of these for a little while. Last call. I'll let it roll one more minute. Last call if you want a spot, and then we're going to rip this box break number 21. I got Josh on Daryl Waltrip. Once again, last call if you want a spot. This will be the last 17 box break drop, probably for a couple weeks. Last call. I got Candace on Eric Almirola. All right. If you want a driver, you're going to have to say it now, because once the box gets ripped, we are done. I got Candace on Terry Labonte. We got Bobby Labonte, Brad Kay, Bodine, McGriff, Jeff Burton, Joey Gase, Logano, Junior Johnson, Kurt Busch, Kyle Petty, Castle, Larry Mack, Matt Kenseth, Mike Wallace, Stenhouse, Rusty Wallace, Trevor Bayne, all available. I got Brad K for Adam Green. Once again, I'm not going to list no more of this for a couple weeks probably, because we got the new product. I got Adam Green at Larry Mack. I got Anthony with Joey Gase. So now's the time to get a spot. Joey Gase to Anthony. Alright, give y'all one more view. Alright, let's get this rolling. Last call. Last call for drivers. Put your comment now, because when we rip it, it's going. Last call. Alright. If I get your comment before we rip, I will get it in there. Other than that, here we go. Once again, we got box break 92 and 93 of Chronicles going after this. So, alright. This is what we're doing. Good luck, everybody. Good luck, everybody. And once again, I'm going to post a thing tonight about our group. I did it when I started this group about payments. I am not messing around. If you pick a break spot in my break, or you get my live sales and you want to not pay, you will just disappear for good, and you will not find this place again. I can tell you. I am done with it. It's worse than when we left. In our other group, I never had those problems. I cleaned that mess out. And we start this new group, and that's all I've been dealing with. is non-paying, 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 and I'm done with it. So this is your guys' warning on a live video that I'm done with it. You will just be gone. So it ain't my responsibility, it's your responsibility. I know how to fix the problem real quick, so I will make a post about that tonight. If you don't see the post or see this video and you're one of those members that keep doing that, that's your own fault. But I do see patterns with members, and I will be eliminating those members just as fast as you join this group. Okay? So that being said, good luck everybody, and here we go. I got Roy on Kurt Busch real quick before we go. Roy on Kurt Busch. I'm not being no Grinch or nothing. I'm just, you don't go eat the apple at the store before you pay for it. And I'm not chasing payments. I'm not no bill collector, nothing like that. You guys know the rules. They're pretty simple. If you don't know the rules, go read the rules. We're not in kindergarten, so you take offense to it, that's your own deal. I'm just being very blunt, because I'd rather not even run a group than deal with that crap day in and day out. I'll shut the damn thing down. That's exactly where I'm at. So that being said, we'll move on and have fun hopefully from here on, and I won't have to chase one payment, just like our other group. We weren't chasing payments there, so we're not doing it here. You will just be gone. And there will not be no letting people back in the groups like before. When you're gone, you're gone. You'll be gone for life. So here we go. Good luck. Hopefully I made that clear enough. You want to go play the game somewhere else in another group? That's fine with me. I'm done with it. You guys knew that if you were in my old group. I do not play those games. All right, good luck, everybody. We're going to start off with AJ Allmendinger, 5 of 25. 5 of 25, AJ Allmendinger. That is a quad relic. Going out to Kevin. Going out to Kevin. Live sales will be the same thing. We're going to make it where if you're not paid within 24 hours of me sending your invoice out, you will be gone. And it'll be that simple. But I will make a big post about it. Ryan Newman, 15 of 20. Ryan Newman going out to Dan the Man. Dan the Man. Here's a nice one. That spot just sold. Clint Boyer. Check out that piece of sheet metal. Clint Boyer, 7 of 10 made with Kevin Harvick. Clint Boyer's owner just sold to Cousin Ed. Kevin Harvick's owner is Kevin Finkel, so we'll be doing a dice roll for that thing. I think that needs a big mag. I think so. So we're going to be doing a dice roll for this card. Clint Boyer comes first in the alpha. So Cousin Ed, if I roll a 1, 2, or 3, it's going to you. And Kevin Finkel, if I roll a 4, 5, or 6, it's going to you, sir. So where's the little dice at? There they are. All right. Let's get this in a bag. Yeah, Paul's probably got it right there. I didn't want to say that and it not be, but that's probably correct. What Paul stated there. Sherman Williams. Paul's the expert on that stuff. So good luck. Here we go. Dice roll. It is a 2. That will go out to Cousin Eddie. Cousin Ed picking that one up. Most of our members, though, do what they're supposed to do. We have brand new members that come to the group and they follow the rules, so there's no excuse for people that have dealt with us, is my point. And sometimes errors happen, but at the same time, the member that's buying a spot needs to make sure that they got their spot. If I don't mark you down, obviously I ain't seen it. So Dale Jarrett, 9 of 10. Dale Jarrett going to Brian. That's a nice hit. Brian. But yeah, all it does is mess up the flow. It messes up my shipping and all this other stuff. So it just creates a big mess. It creates hours on hours end extra for no reason. And on your side, it don't really matter. But on my side, it's a huge difference. So that's why we do have the rules in place. I don't normally have these speeches, but today we're having one. I had a few in the last few years, and we're having it today. 4 of 10, another nice little short print hit. Darrell Waltrip, that just sold a while ago. Josh Weidman, nice hit. Another nice autograph. So and I state this deeply because there's members that get in debt with several people, and us people talk, and next thing you know, half of us aren't getting paid. And we've all been there where we get in our head over our head and spending, but at the end of the day, just stop spending for a few weeks and get back on track. That's how you fix it real quick. So all right, next we got Bobby Labonte, 9 of 25. Bobby Labonte, 9 of 25. That is unsold spot. Unsold. Next, we got another Newman, 9 of 15. Going to Dan the Man. Dan the Man. And our booklet is a Denny Hamlin, number 1 of 25 made. Denny Hamlin going to Kevin Finkel. That is some nasty looking shoe. That's either glove or shoe. I'm thinking that piece is glove, but that's pretty cool. Denny Hamlin booklet, 1 of 25 made, going out to Finkel. So that ain't bad there. That is our box at NT21. Like I said, it'll be a couple weeks before I drop any more of that, probably, depending on how this new product goes. So we'll find out how the new NT goes, and then we will just play it by ear of when we're gonna do any more of this stuff. I mean, we will do more of it. I just know a lot of people will be interested in the new stuff for a while. Next, we got box break 92 and 93, 2021 Chronicles. Congratulations to all the winners of these, and appreciate y'all. Thanks for helping in getting this filled up for the most part and getting it moved. We will be breaking our 2021 tomorrow night as long as it gets here. It should, but just want to let everybody know that is the plan tomorrow night. So for the new National Treasures. All right, next we have our Chronicles. These 2 boxes of Chronicles filled up way faster than the last 4 boxes, so I appreciate that. We got Dan with spot 1, Tom with 2 and 3, Dan with 4, Tom 5, Brian 6, Kevin with 7, and Brandy with number 8. Brandy with number 8. So good luck, everybody. Somebody want to pick a box, top or bottom? Top or bottom? Once again, our videos will be over on YouTube as well, so If you ain't done so, go over there and subscribe. Somebody pick a box, or we're just going to go with the top box and roll with it. Top or bottom. If you hear a weird noise, it's Max snoring. He's ripping them in there. Alright, we're going with the top box. Nobody's commenting. Here we go. Good luck, everybody. Box break 92. Pack 1. Yeah. Let me grab a box real quick. Alright, here we go. We got Kurt Busch starting us off. Spot 3 going to Tom. Spot 3. There's a blue Deegan Absolute. 160 of 199. 160 of 199. We got a big one coming up after it. We have a big one after that. So Brian getting a Deegan in spot 6. Brian getting a nice Deegan hit in spot 6. And we got another big hit after that. It is a 8 of 10 Chase Elliott. Autograph. Gold Select. Nice. That is nice. I see no damage from my naked eye. And on top of that, I thought it was a door number, but it's 8 of 10. 8 of 10. That's a big one there. That's a big one there. Nice hit to Tom. Tom is new to our group, and I'll tell you what, he's followed the rules, no issues, and he's a brand new member. And he's been flawless. He's been in our live sales, I think, and our breaks. So that kind of shows the example of how it, as long as you read the rules, it can go real smooth. Nice hit there for Tom. Nice hit there. That is a very nice card. That is 8 of 10. We'll let it sit up there for this box break, and then we'll have to pull it down. So nice hit there. Haley Deegan, spot 6, Brian. Brad K, spot 1, Dan the Man. Haley Deegan again. That's 3 cards in one pack. 3 cards in one pack to Brian. Tony Stewart, spot 8, Brandy. Tony Stewart, Obsidian, spot 8, Brandy. Pack 2, box break 92. We got Austin Cindric, spot 1, Dan the Man. Josh Berry, spot 6, Brian. Another Josh Berry. That one's got damage right here. Going spot 6, Brian. Contenders ticket, Joey Logano, spot 6, Brian. Drew Dollar rookie card, blue Contenders. That is a 26 of 199. That one's going to spot 2 to Tom. Spot 2 to Tom. If you got any cards that are damaged that I mentioned, you can go to Panini's app and turn them in, but you got to ship the card to them, so the card ain't worth shipping to them. Like this one probably ain't, just being honest. Then you just try to clean the card the best you can if it's dirty or dented, and go from there. But that is what it is. Austin Hills, spot 1, Dan the Man. Vinnie Miller, spot 8, Brandy. And then a Noah Graxton, 79 of 99. Noah is in spot number 7, going to Kevin. Spot 7, Kevin. Yeah, it did look pretty centered. I agree, Sean. Next, we got pack 3, box break 92. I usually go to the yellow end if the green end don't open very well, but we got that one eventually. How about Kyle Busch, spot 3, Tom? 25 of 99, a red score, Brad K, going spot 1, Dan the Man. And a Bailey Curry, RPA. I got one just like this, and it's got damage just like it. You guys see all that damage? I got one just like it. I filed a claim on it. First card I ever filed a claim on. They want me to send the card to them. I just don't believe it's worth